Guys, and welcome to today's video. We are sailing north in the Chesapeake Bay.
Yes, it's a windy day and we're having a good time.
We don't have a mainsail. So we have the... Alright, sorry about that. The battery died. So we're heading north to Deltaville in the Chesapeake Bay. Got a good sail today. We were just saying that the mainsail is not functioning and we're using the Genoa.
That's right, we tried hard to correct that mainsail furling line and it's just stuck like Jack, so no mainsail.
Anywho, so you're going to get to enjoy the sail with us today, and we have some things to share with you. Some thoughts about city life.
Before we talk about city life on a sailboat, let's back up and see the south side of Norfolk. It's a few hours from Great Bridge, Virginia to Norfolk, and it's the most industrial section of the ICW, this side of Houston, full of U.S. Navy shipyards and tugboats.
What are you doing?
Pretty steady rain. We have an hour until the next bridge opens. We drop the anchor and watch the boat. It's kind of funny. But in reality, it just makes sense. The boat is quite dirty. It's been since Brunswick, what, 2 months, a month? Salt water, filth. Ugh.
And then you're greeted by the beauty of Portsmouth and Norfolk.
Whoa, the docks are gone.
No, they're not. They're around there.
Oh, I was like, look at this, the docks are gone. No. Apartment on the water right there, literally. Yeah, so I think we love city life on a sailboat. Matter of fact, I think it's the best way to go.
Yeah. This is a pretty amazing place.
What do you think? City life on a sailboat?
I like the city, so yeah.
You have to do more than whisper.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like the city, so I like being here on the boat. You got a lot of easy access to a lot of cool things.
Like the mall.
Like the mall and the movie theater and the Chili's.
Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. The battleship.
We find our home at a lovely little anchorage near Hospital Point, with easy access to Portsmouth, happy hours, laundry, and affordable dining at the nearby marina, and a quick dinghy ride from the anchorage. We're in the heart of downtown Norfolk, one of our favorite cities. When you work full-time and travel full-time, it equals a lot of hours and days on the boat, which by anyone's standard is a tiny, tiny home. So being in the city is great. Norfolk has gorgeous parks, sidewalks, cafes, and brew houses. and we like to head over to the mall for equal parts people watching and movie going.
Living that city life.
We had to walk up all the stairs.
So the mall's closed, but we had to find the way into the theater.
Thank you to the lady in the little restaurant. Down, so we had to walk up all the stairs.
All the stairs. There's no Naviotics notes to show us what to do.
Hey, the popcorn's gonna be yummy.
But you follow your nose. You can smell the popcorn and pine sol. This is Fort Monroe behind us here. The town is called Phoebus, close to a town called Hampton. And it's a nice little anchorage. We like it. We've stayed there before. Big news, check this out. Holy moly. Nice, good work. Yeah, so one of the things I like about Chesapeake Bay, the few times that we've sailed here, and then this time, it's easy sailing. It's a bay. Even when you're out in the middle and you can't see land all the way around you, you're still only 5 to 10 miles away from land, so there's not a lot of fetch, there's no ocean swell, and it's just good sailing. We have 18 knots of wind today, well, 14 to 18, and we got 1 to 2 foot seas, so it's just lovely, beautiful skies. We're about halfway there, and we're out next to Mope Jack Bay. Making about 5 knots, a little bit of current on our nose. It's about to switch though, and it'll help us out the rest of the way. Looking forward to getting to Deltaville. It's the old creek and forest feel, where you're anchored up and there's just land right around you, and it's really pretty, really nice.
Hello everyone, welcome to Deltaville. We're excited to be here.
Yes, everyone, welcome to Deltaville. We've arrived. We're here at the anchorage right in front of this marina, which we're going to be spending about a month at, maybe a little more. We've got some projects to do, and we have some, well, Matt has some oyster seed, and it's going to be a great time. We can't wait.
I'm gonna hit that. I can see the shoulder right
That's what you get for being hot. What? He said that. Welcome to Deltaville. I'm so excited to be back in Deltaville. This feels like home away from home. But today we're talking about why city life is better on a sailboat.
While you're in the country?
Hang on. We are in the country. No, why sailboat life is better in the city. That's what we're talking about today. Give us a reason. Why is sailboat life better in a big city?
It's just so easy. There's just so much access to everything. You feel like you're a part of something and not just all by yourself.
I agree with that. It's so easy in a sailboat to be by yourself. To be out on an island, even in America, to be anchored out all alone. And that's amazing, the tranquility, the calm. But it's easy to do that. It's hard to have access, right? And so when you're in a city, life is easier because you just dinghy to shore and you've got what? Laundry.
Laundry.
We're not one of those fancy yachters who have laundry aboard, so.
You've got laundry, you've got groceries, you've got restaurants or coffee shops or, you know, a library just to go and chill at. I mean, there's just so much that, especially America, has to offer that the city is just so convenient.
It may be different if you're 3 months or 6 months sabbatical, you're just doing a cruise, right? Bahamas, go be by yourself. You want to get away. But when you're like us, you're like trying to carefully craft a long-term scenario on a boat. It's nice to be in the city.
Yeah, it is nice to be in the city. And when you come up into the cockpit at night to have your sundowners and you watch the sun go down and it just starts to get dark and all of the lights from the city are on, it's like very magical. It's just, you're right there in the sailboat and it's like such an amazing experience. I love it. Every time it happens, I'm just like, oh, it's so magical. I love it.
It is. Anywho.
Can you tell we've been sailing all day?
Glad to be here. Welcome to Deltaville.
I have no final thoughts. I'm super happy to be here. It feels, like Matt said earlier, it feels like home because it's someplace that's familiar and I'm excited to be here. Thanks, Deltaville.
Keeps me happy. The happy flags.